Today is an exciting day for me. For today's video, pupunta nga pala kami guys sa Eco Park, Butuan City, malapit lang sa Bancasi Airport. Excited na nga ako pumunta doon kasi nga first time ko makita ang Eco Park, Butuan City. Bago kami pumunta dyan guys is nung nasa bahay pa kami ng husband ko, naghahanap pa talaga ako ng masusuot ko papunta dyan. Kasi nga iba yung suot ko guys na sobrang mainit sa paningin ng husband ko. I don't know how to explain that guys, pero kagaya rin ng suot ko ngayon is pang-aesthetic talaga yung suot ko, gaya ng jacket, pants. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganyang outfit. So sabi ng husband ko guys, I have to change my clothes kasi nga sobrang init daw at gusto niya na mag-short daw ako or mag-sleeveless. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ako komportable na magsuot ng ganyan. Kasi ang gusto ko suotin is kagaya ng mga sinusuot ko. Kasi mas komportable akong magsuot ng ganitong outfit. So agree naman yung husband ko kung ano yung mga sinusuot ko and very supportive naman siya sa mga outfit na gusto ko kapag lalabas kami. Kasi sa bahay guys is nag-short lang ako tapos mag-sleeveless lang talaga ako sa loob ng bahay. Pero pag lalabas kami ng husband ko, kagaya ng mall or kagaya nito na park guys is magja-jogging pants talaga ako at magja-jacket. Pero kung pupunta kami sa mall is the same lang siya pero different style talaga. Kaya natawa na lang yung husband ko guys kasi nga kahit pilitin niya pa ako magsuot ng mga ano dyan, ito talaga ang outfit na gusto ko. Ayaw ko kasi ng mga sexy or vulgar clothes like parang inuhubad mo na yung sarili mo sa social media. Anyway guys, nakarating na kami sa Eco Park, Butuan City at sobrang ganda talaga. Parang na-amaze talaga ako sa mga designs and I don't know kung ano ang tawag ng mga ganyan. And of course guys, sobrang ganda talaga yung place at madami talaga mga puno at hindi ka talaga maiinitan kasi may fresh air siya or sobrang hangin dyan. Sabi ng friend ko guys, noon daw ay closed to at ngayon ina-open na daw nila at evening daw is meron daw na light dyan. I cannot believe what I see there guys. Sobrang ganda talaga. I don't know how to explain, how to express this feeling, but I really enjoyed the day there. And of course, I want to go back there one day with my husband and I want to spend time with him there kasi parang pang whole world na to, char. Nai-enjoy din ng hubby ko yung place guys kasi nga first time din niya nakapunta dito. And of course, before man kami pumunta dito guys, noon, nakita niya na talaga itong place pero close siya noon. So sabi ko sa kanya guys is, hindi tayo pupunta dyan kasi they are not open. Right now guys, ini-improve nila talaga yung place para sa mga tao and of course, maganda din to para sa mga turista. I am also very thankful to my friend guys kasi nga siya yung naghagad sa ako para madto midyara. I truly admired my friend guys kasi nga napaka-supportive din niya na kaibigan and it's my first time to have a friend like her. And honestly guys, I am not very friendly person but because of her guys, I feel so much na it's really good to have a friend. At siya rin yung nag-iinganyo sa akin na magala or manglaag mi para makita na mo ang Butuan City. Sa totoo lang guys, hindi talaga ako mahilig gumala kasi nga I really want to stay home every day, all the time, anytime kasi mas nai-enjoy ko talaga yung home kaysa sa paggagala-gala ko dyan. And sometimes, my hubby wants me to go somewhere, mga ganyan, kasi nga gusto daw niya ma-enjoy yung life ko as a young lady. Pero ako lang talaga ang palaging humindi guys. So, hindi naman ako pipilitin ng hubby ko guys na lumabas or saan ba kami gusto pumunta kasi nga, parang madali akong mapapagod sa labas guys. And because of my friend, parang nainganyo na talaga akong pumunta, especially na mag-send siya ng mga pictures or videos sa mga good place dito sa Butuan kasi nga napuntahan na daw nila and they want us to see the places na hindi pa namin napuntahan. Because of my friend guys, ay napuntuhan ko na talaga yung place na hindi ko pa nakikita noon. And honestly guys, yung husband ko talaga guys is nagsisearch talaga siya ng mga place dito sa Butuan before namin na-meet yung new friend namin dito sa Butuan. Because he want to show the world to me. Pero ako lang talaga ang hindi mahilig gumala. By the way guys, sobrang laki pala ng place dito sa Eco Park. Meron pa ding mga ano dito guys na hindi pa natapos nila. Pero kapag natapos na to lahat guys, I'm sure mai-enjoy kayo dito and meron din sila mga paninda para sa mga tao na pupunta dyan. Also guys, masulit mo talaga yung day at time mo dito kasi maraming mga ano dito na pwede mong pagpicturan, video, at iba pa. So that time guys, yung videographer at photographer ko is yung husband ko at syempre yung friend ko. Na-appreciate ko talaga yung effort nila para sa akin and I'm so very happy, grateful, and thankful of the day. By the way guys, kung gusto niyo pumunta dyan sa Eco Park, Butuan City, pwede rin kayong pumunta dyan kasi sobrang ganda at highly recommended ko tong place na to for the whole family. Especially sa mga may boyfriend, girlfriend, or ano pa dyan, mga relasyon nyo dyan. Also, napakatahimik dyan at may enjoy mo talaga yung pagmuni-muni mo. Kaya soon guys, gusto ko bumalik dyan with my husband and of course, I want to take a pictures and video again. Sa makikita niyo dyan sa video guys is yung husband ko at ang husband ng aking friend ay nag-uusap or nagchika-chika sila dalawa guys. So I really enjoyed my time to be alone, making on videos and having time for myself. Today is a good day for us and happy day with our friend. Anyway guys, may nag-comment dito sa akin na hindi daw nila gusto yung boses ko kasi nga daw is nakaka-erita or masakit daw sa tinga nila, but you know what, I cannot change my voice for you. Also, this is really my original voice, so that is why guys, ganito na talaga yung boses ko since then or since birth. Kaya tiisin nyo na lang yung boses ko, and if you don't like my voice, you should turn off your volume and watch my video. And also, some people here are commenting to the other vlogger na hindi rin daw nila gusto yung boses nila. But you know what guys, I really like the voice of some other vloggers, pero there are so many bashers talaga na sasabihin na hindi daw nila gusto yung mga boses ng mga pinapanood nila, but we cannot change their voice, especially my voice too. Kasi ganito na talaga yung boses ko at hindi ko na siya change. As long as happy tayo sa buhay natin at wala tayong inaapakang tao, kahit marami tayong bashers or haters dito sa social media. One more of that, we have to enjoy our life because life is too short for bad vibes. Otherwise, you will have an heart attack if you always envy or jealous to other people's success or happiness. Nowadays, life is short, so we should enjoy and explore our life and choose to be happy. But if you people are happy to bash or to say something bad here on social media, well, that's fine and that is okay too, because we will support it. Because the people who are not happy to other people's happiness, they really show their bitterness here on social media. But honestly guys, there are so many peoples here na palaging nagko-comment ng negative sa aming mga video, and I do not care about that because all I care is our life together with my husband, kung saan kami maging masaya. Also guys, we just want to show our life together with my husband na gusto lang namin na maging inspirasyon ng ibang mga tao dyan, especially yung mga naghahanap ng afam. What I mean guys is, you should find a good man or choose wisely. Kasi hindi lahat ng afam is mabait or may respeto sa isang babae. That is why we are here on social media to show you guys na hindi lahat ng may tattoo are bad people or bad person. I want you to know and learn na hindi dapat kayo nakatingin sa physical appearance. Dapat nakatingin kayo sa loob. Kasi dyan makikita ang tunay na ugali at dyan mo makikita yung tunay na pagmamahal at magiging happy ka at the end of the day. Kaya may mga tao talaga dyan na bitter yung life kasi nga they are in the wrong person and they never experience a good life or happiness in life kasi nga their partner never treat them well. What we do here on social media is to inspire people na hindi dapat pasihan ang hitsura or height or age na magiging happy ka sa isang relationship. Age doesn't matter at all. Kung saan ka masaya sa buhay mo, then go for it and choose happiness and choose love. If you found your true love, and do not listen to other people's opinion and their negativity. Kasi at the end of the day, tayo lang naman ang magiging masaya at makikinabang sa ating happiness dito sa mundo. Kaya if you found your true love, then continue it and go for it. Kasi wala namang bata o matanda sa pagmamahal at wala din namang problema sa kakaibang lahi nyo or foreigner ba ito or Filipino, kahit anong lahi na magugustuhan nyo na you are very comfortable and satisfied to your partner, then go for it and choose love and happiness for your love, because life is not, kasi tayo guys bilang mga babae, we have a choice to choose the right person. If you are wise, then it's really good para makahanap kayo ng totoong magmamahal sa'yo that will never hurt you. Ang pinaka-importante lang sa lalaki or sa partner nyo is he will treat you well and he will love you the way he love himself. Kasi yan lang talaga ang hanap ng isang babae, at tayong lahat deserve natin na maging masaya at may magmamahal sa atin ng totoo. Also, the man must love you the way he love himself, and he will respect you the way he respect himself. Kaya tayo mga babae, kailangan talaga na maging wais tayo sa pagpili ng isang lalaki. Ma-foreigner man o ma-Filipino, you should be wise to choose the right man. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng mga Filipina ay makapag-asawa ng AFAM, kasi lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang kapalaran. So we cannot force ourselves to choose a foreigner while God has another plan for us or for you. Kaya maraming nagko-comment na kahit ano dang gawin nila or paghahanap ng AFAM, hindi daw nila makikita kung asaan ang AFAM or saan talagang mabuting AFAM, kasi hindi nila yon kapalaran. Those Filipina na nakapag-asawa ng AFAM, kapalaran nila yon, at you cannot compare yourselves to them, and you should find your own happiness kahit hindi AFAM ang inyong magiging partner, as long as yung partner niyo is very responsible and very respectful and very loving partner. So sa mga gustong mag-AFAM at hindi pa nakahanap, do not give up. All you need to do is to pray for the right person, because only God can answer your prayer and only God can give you the right person. And you cannot decide for your own self, and you cannot pick the right person without God's permission. Kaya pray lang kayo at hingin nyo sa Diyos ang tamang lalaki para sa inyo. And if hindi man kayo makapaghanap ng isang taong na magmamahal sa iyo, or if you're still single, do not put your anger or bitterness here on social media to prove that you are not happy and very charot. Advice ko lang sa inyo guys, be wise and wait for the right person, at huwag kayong magmamadali hanggat hindi pa nakarating ang tamang landas para sa inyo, because only God can decide for you, only God can give you the right person. Kasi ako is, kahit bata pa ako guys, binigay na ni God yung the right person para sa akin. Kaya don't give up and do not become a bitter person if you are single or what you are now. By the way, thank you so much for watching and God bless you all.